Good morning. What's the deal? What goes on, everybody? How are we doing? Oh, wait, Zoom. Let's zoom in. Let me add my mic into this setup here. What up? What goes on, everybody? Hey,
Good morning.
Good morning. Obviously I have not spoken to anyone yet. Today after stream, I'll be talking to people. That's for Reggie and Jay. For everybody else, how ya doing?
Morning.
Good morning.
What's up, Kenny? What's up, everybody? What's up, chat?
Good, brother.
Mods, everybody. Welcome. It's a Monday, new start to the week. And if you guys were part of the Signals channel, you ate last night and caught some pips in the Sunday private Asian session. So come and join the Signals channel and make some money outside of the normal live streaming hours.
Damn, I wasn't even thinking along those lines. You just marketing straight out the bat. Like, damn, I love it. This is great.
Yes, sir.
How much do we pay him, HR?
Let's do a what?
Just asking HR how much we pay you.
Oh, HR. Hopefully
Try.
HR responds, not enough.
Yeah. Welcome everybody. Welcome in. We've just been riding up here all morning, huh? But all night and all morning. No break. So daily bullish, 4-hour bullish, 1 hour closed bearish at a resistance level. Well, back into a range. Let's go based on our most recent levels. I think we can mark off the 15 with some confidence here. I think we can mark off the hourly with some confidence here. And this is our support. We will look for a pancake once we get down here. I'm gonna have a buy limit as we get closer here. We're about 120 pips away, but there will be a buy limit as we start approaching 40.85 here. Probably 40.85 flat will be our buy limit. Stops will be kept below these wicks, and we'll see how the cookie crumbles today. D-Square in the building. What up, Tom? Jesus Sanchez Ortiz, man. Jesus Sanchez Ortiz. It's a cartel name. It'd be wild if you were T-Squared from Straight Ribbon. Maybe he is. My whole going name. Yes. Bro, you better hope Ice is not on these streams right now, because you're about to get swatted. We got him. We got him. He's in the stream. Get him. Amigo de God. In the building. What goes on? Let's see what we got going on in terms of closures. The hour closed bearish. We already made a top wick. We broke down here. We're so heavily bullish on a day, though. We'd rather look for a longer term buy than a shorter term sell. Yeah, as we start moving down, there's a right. So hold on. Dude, we broke up above this. This was most recent resistance. So technically, we can come down here and form a support right at these areas. Right, you can form support right at these areas. But we don't just want to support and then to buy here. We want this support to tap into here. And then this is our position, this entire bottom, before the flip, before the drive up. That's what we really want to see. We want that bottom wick on a candle that eventually closes bullish back up above. Right, this is... And we've gotten pretty good at identifying these, please update the session trades. What do you mean they're updated? Oh, get rid of the 14? Yeah, give me a sec. So you might like add the trade from last night. I'm like, it's in there. Wait, where's my mouse? Where my mouse at? We're bounced off a 5 minute. Let's go to the higher time frame here. Let's go back in time. Let's see where the levels are. Okay, once we start breaking this low, we'll set a buy limit here. The 1 hour level looks solid level here. Let's see if there's wicks that come down into this area. All right, it's going to be a 70 pip stop here. Oh, things are going to get real interesting if we get down there. We have not seen an hourly support yet anywhere. This is the first 1 hour support that we'll tap into. We haven't had one in 24 hours. No, we had one at the last hourly support we had was on yesterday's candle. Yesterday. Before yesterday's daily candle closed. So today, no, there's been no hourly supports. Might be the first one. See. And first one, we come back to first one, we have a chance to react off of. Should be solid here. Should be really solid here. As long as we get down there, right? I mean, there's no guarantee of us getting down there. That's why I don't get ahead of it. But once we get down there, we should be solid for a nice bounce. Going to 40.71. I mean, like, there's not much here. Look, there's just one clean ass candle. You're probably looking at it only on one time frame. Right? $40.71. It's a 5-minute level. Yeah, it might head down there, but it's only a level on a 5-minute. Nothing there on the 15, nothing there on the 30, nothing there on the 1. It's just clean ass candle. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Who's ready for these dubs?
Sound like a plan. Sound like a plan.
Candles are too small. I've seen it play plenty times with small candles. I'm not sure what you mean, small candles. Small candles, that's really subjective. Like this could make it small candles, like doing this, but doing this makes them big candles. All right, if you are gonna be in this position with me, good luck. Stops will be around 40.79. Limit sell do. As soon as we tap, I'm looking for these highs, 40.90, right? So let's do right there. 40.89.3 will be for partials right there for that candle. $40.89. So partials will be 40.89.2. Let's see, we're about 70 pips away. $78.3. That's going to be the stop right there, 78.3. More people at the Zoom door. All right, it's gonna be quick here. I'm gonna break out of lows. Things are about to get real interesting. Who's selling down to my levels, Kenny?
Nah. You know what I
Said,
mean?
no. We won't have any of that. No.
I'm waiting to see what the market gonna do because you know I love buys. So
Yeah, I'm in love with the buys here too, man.
Mhm.
Selling until Kenny.
Yeah. Nah, I'm holding tight for a minute.
Yeah, I mean, we got NYC anyway, so I'm waiting. I already took a position earlier, so I'm just gonna play it by ear right now.
I love it when people say that I'll play it by ear. I'm like, can you really do that? Can you play things by ear?
Listening.
100%.
I'm over here picturing you strumming a guitar with your ears.
Nice.
Ding, 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 ding. Damn, imagine trying to play a solo. It smells like Teen Spirit, which it is. All right, come on, behave. How does Austin Powers say? Oh, behave. Get in my belly. Get in my belly. Okay. Damn. I don't want this to flip. Not yet. Tap these areas down here and then flippity pippity, but not yet. Hey, Green in the building. Good to see you, man. You on TikTok? I'm on the clock. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. You just gotta find me. I gotta find me on TikTok, but I'm somewhere over there. I'm gonna buy some of this bottom wick. I want it to flip. Lame. Lame. I wanted to re-break the lows. You wearing me today? Yeah, even on my head. Everywhere. Here's the deal. I'd rather take buys from here, but if we start closing above this lower right now, above 40.96, if this is our candle, like, what am I going to tell you, gang? It's NYC open here in 7 minutes. If this is how we close in 7 minutes, you already know the deal. Break of the highs right here. We are looking for buys. Yeah, back in my mind with a dab. Maze. MAs. But that's what we're going to need to have right here. This thing's going to have to print like this. If not, we wait again. Oh. Damn. I just ate some really good donuts. I never eat donuts, but I had some gourmet donuts just now. I feel guilty. Should I feel guilty? Look, there's even jelly still in here. Yummy.
Donuts is breakfast for a lot of people.
How many munchkins you ate already? How many munchkins you had already? Giving me excuses for donuts. Well, the truck, you feeling guilty? Because, like, it's for my kids. Well, it was for my kids. Not no more. They don't need that much sugar. I do. Donuts for breakfast is wild. No. I already had breakfast, but I just had 3 donuts. I'm not allowed to have more than half a donut.
We know they definitely don't need that much sugar.
Breakfast of Champions cold pizza. Yo, honestly, I love leftover pizza. I'll fucking buy a pie and leave it overnight just to have leftover pizza. Nothing tastes better than leftover pizza. I don't warm it up, nothing. Well, sometimes I'll throw like 5 seconds in the microwave.
No. You gotta put it back in the oven. Get that crust going.
No, I can't. I just need to get it warm and like I just want to eat. Yeah, cold pizza's great. You ever sprinkle your cold pizza with some protein powder? Just Salt Bay. You guys don't understand. Like, I'll be making sandwiches out of the pizza. Like the next day, you can literally take the 2 pizza slices, make a whole sandwich. You throw a whole salad in between, throw a Caesar salad in between, make a. You know what I mean? Pizza sandwich. I gotta do a pizza hero. Put the pizza in the toaster? No, that shit don't fit. I would have to roll it up and then I'd have to flatten it. I need me one of those Cuban sandwich things. You know how you flatten the sandwich? It still won't fit in the toaster. Yo, is this shit really gonna happen for us here? We can get a closure above or what? Nope. This is good. This is good. This is good. Give me something weak. Doji candle is great. Bearish candle, amazing. Don't give me nothing. No, don't give me a bullish candle or a closure above 40.96. Take a bigger toaster? Yeah, I was just gonna ask, how do people like do that shit? The toaster is tiny. I need one of those industrial Publix size toasters, right? That they got in Walmart. Which Wix 9 TikTok is yours? There's 2 of them? Oh no, there's a lot more than 2 of them, so I'm not sure which 2 you found. But like, fuck it. Subscribe to all of them. Yeah, some are not mine. Some are just like mine. You know what I mean? Some are Wix and some are Wix. It just depends like who made one or which company made one. It's just the top 2. They could probably be. Forgot how to speak for a second. They could probably be. They could probably be mine. Both of them. I'm at like. Actually, it doesn't matter. 1 minute here to till NYSE open. Kenny, they want to know what your shirt says. What does that say? Blue Jay till I die? I was just guessing, just by the letters available on screen.
Yeah. In high school, I know the guys who they got a clothing line, so they did a little special edition for high school. I got another one says Detroit till I die, also, and camouflage. So it's kind of cool.
Yeah. All right, come down here. Come down. Get us in there. Get us in there. Don't mistreat us right now. Go. Yes, yes. Go. Another big drop. Another big drop. You silly goose. What are you doing? Uno más, por favor. Uno más. I don't think gold speaks Spanish. I really want this sniper entry here. Give it to him. Let's scare gold into fucking coming down here. Fucking do it. I mean, like, let's go ski. Go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit lower. No, I don't speak English, but I don't speak Spanish. Baxter. The butler name. Yeah, this fucker looks like it's gonna fly. Come on, it sucks that because it's NYC open, so like if it flips, it's probably not gonna hold. Come down. Calm down. Baby, come down. Come down. It'd be great if there's no top look on this candle. Okay, and it might be a quick pop down. You guys see a sell limit in the signals? That's just my initial partial closure. I'm going to bring it down once we're activated. Just like right here. And I'm going to bring it down to 89.2, right where price is right now. The price, this level is where I want to get back to. Come on, come on, come on, come on. A little bit more. We need, oh my God, don't you look now. All right, there we go. It's the spit song. It's the spit song, man. Are we almost in there? We are in there. Partials are going to be set right there. 89.2. Luck, everyone. Stops are 78.3. $28.2. All right, no top wick here on this candle. Just kind of headed straight down. We should bounce up here. Should see a nice bounce up. All right. Come on. I didn't see much. I saw maybe 12 pips. A lot of bearish volume. Maybe a big retracement, but if it's a big retracement, small risk here, and we'll be in on the next part. No top wick here on the 30. We're at an hourly support. I'll push up. I need around 30 pips here. 25, 30. All right, right there. I'm gonna sell a little bit. Let's move this here. Let's move stops to break even here. I did not get to do anything on the live. Fuck, it's moving too quickly. Oh, it opened me the other way. Did you guys see that? But I closed it. Wow. Sorry, I'm managing multiple accounts. I gotta.
Wait,
Congrats, we just got a W on here.
Okay, so
So I'm looking at like 3 different screens, and I'm trying to take care of the signals now at this point. All right. Signals up about 21 pips right there. Just closed partials. Stops to break even. And we're gonna close some more partials right there at 31 pips. W. Congrats. I still have a 6 lot running in the signal channel. And we're at around 30 pips in profit. We got stops to break even, and we are big winners this morning. Congrats. Stops to be. Oh man, if we push up right now, if we flip on this 30 signal channel, a fucking cake it here. That's gonna be a 10K day. We're closing partials here at 52. All right, let's go signal channel. I closed 2 lots out of the 6 running. We've closed a total of 16 out of the 20 we opened. 4 lots left on the signal channel. Let's fucking go! Okay, 46, right? 46 the last closure. It said 52. 46 is the last closure. On the live, in the signal channel. Amazing.
We got a runner.
All right, so TP here is full TP is 40.95.5. That's full TP. That's actually 100 pips on the dot. Right now it's 40.85. Oh, we might come back down. A lot of bearish momentum. Let's see. Let's see if this runner can hit 100 pips. Nope, it can't. It just took us out. Boom. That big spike down just took us out. Congrats. 46 pips. W. Buys 46. Win number 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, chat, you're all winners. Congratulations. What a great trade. We planned for this from 150 pips away. We said, oh, simple, easy. Disgusting. You and Don still friends? Saw the stories, made me happy. Yeah, Don and I had like we had a 4-hour conversation on Friday. Yeah, we had a 4-hour talk. Damn, we took that against price moving during NYSE Open. We fucking banked on that. Do you not remember? Do you guys not remember me telling you how powerful these positions were? Yo, Wix 9's pancakes are so fucking powerful. We are up $4,800 in the live account today, and we're up $800 on the funded today, and I think we're at 21% consistency score. So I needed one more percent, which was like $1,100. So, you want to buy too? Just logged on. We just closed out a buy for 46 pips. Pancake for Monday, yeah. My stepdad gave me 10K to trade for him, and I got him 5K in 3 hours. Plus Wix 9 commission, that's 4.5K. Taking my 10% right now.
And if you can't, drop a like instead and sub.
Yeah, drop a like, sub to the channel. Jay is so right. I took the limit off the 15 support, 40.82.9 for 40 pips, quick and easy, no drawdown. W. 40.82. Oh, you savage. Ooh, you dirty dog. 40.82. That. Oh, you sniper. How long were you squatting in this bush for? I'm gonna be right here, gang. I'm gonna be right here in this little bush right here, just waiting for price. Beep, 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 pew, pew, pew. You sneaky bastard. That's nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Took lunch money, yeah, and fucking came back and made her apologize. Bro, you taught me? Yeah, I mean, I just love the fact that you guys can eat with ease. You know why you can eat with ease? I'll tell you why. Because when price is coming to your level, you're not sitting there like, fuck, do I need to enter? Do I not? What do I do? Like, everything's been planned out for the last 150 pips since it's been coming down. We've known what the fuck we're going to do. All it has to do is play nice and do what we've planned for it. And once it does, then it's gonna do how we planned it out. Nate, my way. I figured if it's gonna go to 40.85, why wouldn't it take out the lows and tap that support? Sometimes you get this, like, you know, higher high, higher low structure. You see how we don't really come down here? And you'll see it. Sometimes these wicks will tap like this area. That's what I was afraid of at first, that we might just tap this, right? But never really get down to here. Or tap this, never really get down to here. But then, you know, you zoom out. You know, when in doubt, zoom out. I was in doubt and I zoomed out. I looked at the higher time frame. That's where I went off of. So you're not wrong here either. This is also a higher time frame. So it's a good level, right? But there are times where it'll tap this one and it just won't get here, and it'll continue, and you'll be like, fuck. You'll be like, I figured. Oh wait, I was watching gold, but I'm gonna go wait on that reversal. Faux show. Okay. Hey. Oh. You guys taught me, man. I love hearing the fact, not you taught me everything for free, but the fact that you learned. It's more satisfying hearing that you learned than I taught. Like that good old clip, first thing we got to do today is zoom the fuck out. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. I zoomed out and I got a little more convinced. Man, it's gonna hit full TP here. It just kind of took us out. But hey, not before we close for 46. Yep. That's a 4-hour closure here in about 13 minutes. It's the top wick here on the 15. A little scary, right? El Mariano to El Ferry. Because this 15 could flip just as easily, bearish just as easily as this 30 could flip bullish. So different time frames, they're telling you different things. But man, what a level. Oh, I was so confident in this one too. I was like, oh yeah, as it started passing, like past our level, I'm like, this is gonna fucking fly once it flips. Still in this buy. Oh, God, man. Absolute fucking legend, bro. There will be stories written. Fuck. Get stories. They'll sing songs about you. I want to sing a song about you right now. You run it at like 80 pips. The Pip Bender. You got to change your name. Devin the Black Pip Bender. The Gold Bender. People won't understand. You're like, Gold Bender? Can you make me a knife? Bending pips. Yeah, getting out after this 5 minute. Yeah, 4 hour coming to a close. It's going to be a bearish 4 hour, huh? Oh no, after all that big ass wick, it's going to be a bullish 4 hour. Holy jumping fucking Jesus. Look at this wick. 133 pips. I can fuck with that. Chat, hear me out. I think we tap this area again off the next candle and then it comes up. We might have to double dip here. Running a good month so far, yeah. You guys remember this day? I was not logging off on Thursday. There's no way we're gonna end the day in the red. We were down like 2.5 grand here. No way we're gonna end this in the red. We ended at $1.68 in the red. That's one of my longest streams. That was a 6.5 hour stream. Something like that. Double bottom play. Oh, it's kind of a double bottom here right now, but what I'm saying is if the 4 hour closes like this, oh, well, now it's flipped bearish. But if it was going to close like the way it was up there, if it was going to close bullish with and a daily's bullish, the hourly did not close below the most recent hourly support. It bounced off of it. Next time we get down there, it's going to be another reaction. Especially for bottom wick, if we open up on the next hourly with a bottom wick. But you would have wanted a bullish 4 hour. This way you're kind of making the bottom wick the new 4 hour, right? As you open up here, bottom wick, and then. But you want that entry off that wick, because even if it does this, right? This is enough. This is 60, 70 pips, even if it comes right back down after tap in this area. I wouldn't even mind, like, if we opened up, right, we come down, and this, right, could be the position here, just to this area, and then let it rip back down. Fine with all these things. Gonna have to be the next 4 hour. Are you trading tomorrow? So do we have hold on. I know my kids have no school tomorrow, which means there's a holiday tomorrow. So the banks are open. The French bank holiday. What's tomorrow? Veterinarian Day? Veterinarian? What day is tomorrow? Veterinarian Day. My dog's gonna be happy. The only market that's closed tomorrow is the bond market. Yeah. You ain't getting out of jail tomorrow. You're gonna have to see a judge on Wednesday. Bonds closed. Yeah, banks are open. Bro, you know me. If it's a fucking weekday and the banks are open, I'll fucking be there. Happy Veterinarian Day. Thank them for their service. Kind of hard to say veterinarian when you're an American because we rolled the T's. And then there's also R's in that word, which are rolled naturally. So you're like, veterinarian. Veterinarian. Especially for foreign. Not go there. Veterinarian or veterans. No, it's veterinarian. Why would it be veterans? Who celebrates veterans? It's really all about the veterinarians. They saved the world by saving Sparky. No, but seriously, we have any veterans here? Thank you for your service. If you guys served, whoever's here and whoever served, but I'm talking about the U.S. I don't really care if you were in like the Saudi Royal Guard, you know, like if you're like part of the, I don't really care if you're part of the Iraqi Royal Army or something, but like if you served in the U.S. Armed Forces, thank you for your service. Not a real veterinarian. Word.
So just to confirm, you're not trading tomorrow because it's a bank holiday, right?
No, I am trading tomorrow because it's not a bank holiday.
Oh.
I don't see it says banks closed.
It's showing bank holiday in the.
Oh, maybe that was from today. No, I'm looking right now. French bank holiday. Oh yeah, USD right there. Bank holiday. Yeah, then I'm not trading. No, the markets are gonna move. If you guys haven't noticed, the algos move the markets like crazy. But I'm not gonna trade on a bank holiday.
Okay.
It just gives me a reason to
All right, confirmed. So we're gonna be back on.
Get some rest.
Unless there's an Asian tonight. Yeah. Cool.
YouTube hates you. There's no way you're still at this many subs and viewers. Yeah. Just got to do more Asians. So I guess tonight we're gonna do Asian session. Signal channel. Oh no, I mean on the YouTubes. Let's do Asian session tonight. 4-hour candle moving up before close. Yeah. Guess what? It's gonna close bullish, right? If that happens, if it continues up, which means you can look for a bottom wick buy on the next 4 hour, which means you could probably use this level again. Because US protects Canada, I always thank my American friends who served. Yes, sir. No one else is doing this. Facts. 4-hour candle movement. Maybe they are. I just don't know anyone else doing this. But just because we don't know them doesn't mean they don't exist, right? It's like one of those, if a tree falls in the woods, does it make a sound? If you're not there to hear it. I think you should multi-stream. I'm not sure what that means. Like, stream on every platform? I would just get banned by mistake everywhere, just paying attention to YouTube. Gotta have a social media manager who knows what the fuck they're doing. And I think everyone thinks they know what they're doing. Not everybody actually knows. What up, MK? I don't know how we smacked 46 pips today. There's 170 people here. I don't know how. People don't want to make money. People don't like entertainment and value at the same time, or value and entertainment at the same time. Is it my breath? Chat, is it my breath? Tell me.
Is it your breath? Yeah, smell-o-vision.
It's like one of those 5D movie theaters. Damn, something just fucking hit me. And it's thinking, musty. Busy looking for the Holy Grail? Yeah, good luck. Seems like Asian session has more viewers. Well, we're at 177 and last Asian session had 250. So you ain't wrong. But like, what the fuck are these? There's thousands of people watching some retards. Sorry, YouTube. I forgot about the R word. And I gotta ban myself, right? See, this is why. It's because I do shit like this. It's because I'll fucking say the T word and the C word and the R word, and then it's like, oh. I was like, oh shit. felt like my girl. She sees something crazy go down. She'd be like. I say that word every stream, never been banned. I don't know. I just heard that you shouldn't be saying the R word or the C word, or the W word or the T word. But at this rate, we're just gonna be talking in fucking Braille. It's sign language.
What's the W word?
It's a department that the U.S. just created instead of the Department of Defense.
Oh, got it. Got it. And the T as in Transformers?
The T as in Papa Trump.
Oh, okay. Got it.
We used to, like, right now I think it's fine, but like before he got elected, like every time I would say the Trump word, my stream would like lose 100 viewers. I would test it out, be like, all right, Trump, and I'd be like, what the fuck? How did we just lose 100 viewers? Maybe you have more viewers from different time zones. Oh. My Jew joke has 1.5k views, and YouTube said it found 0 issues with it. Yeah, no, you know who it finds the issues with? The actual Jews. You could joke all you want. MAGA, make Australia great again. Yo, gang, give me 1 second. I got a dentist call coming in. I said, why are we missing a candle? I'm sorry. I just realized I'm muted. How the fuck we miss it? Yo, we can't trade. We need to get a search party out there to look for this fucking candle.
It's on your screen or if you go all the way up.
Oh, there you are. We've been looking for you. What? Bro, what are you doing here? What are you doing up here, bro? We over here. Imagine you had a sell limit right here. 41.53 flat. Anybody had a sell limit over there? No, nobody had that? Psh, this was such an easy read right here. This easy level right there. How did you guys not catch that read right there? This was obvious, just a clear, obvious level here, and you guys missed it. Like, honestly, I think the entire community needed to be in sells here. You guys missed the move up to 4. You missed the move up to 41.53 here, gang. You guys missed the 400 pip move up and down here. Yeah, it's a square psychological uneven number. Round. You guys are scrubs. I can't believe you guys didn't notice that level over here. 41.52 on that. We could have been superstars. I think that was an easy read. Easy peasy.
We're on our way back up there now.
You ain't gonna hit it that fast now, but maybe you could use it as a level, as a reference point. I cannot believe we did not get active. Every time you change time frames, it appears in a different place. No, it's still there.
I tried to refresh my screen to get rid of it.
Look at the 5. Look at the 5. Bong.
I tried to refresh my screen, hoping it'd correct itself.
Nah. They gotta adjust it. The brokers gotta do it. They can fix it. They can fix this. This can be fixed. Shit, I can fix this. Fix incoming. And then there's a big ass gap over here. We gotta fill this gap. This is what we're doing right now. You guys think I'm joking? I'm semi-joking. This is where we're headed though. 41.25. This is clean range right here. And this is clean range right here. We made that kind of move. So that's where we're headed. Trump shorted? There's nothing short about Trump. If anything, they bought the low. They bought the dip. They created the dip, then bought it. Yo. I'm about to go to kimchi markets. Get me some Asian stuff. Yo, Wix, how was your FaceTime with Don the other day? You know, it's funny when you talk to like some real friends. And you know how like you can like spend 5 years not talking to each other in the first conversation? It's like you spoke yesterday. That's how it was. I haven't spoken to Don since I wished him happy birthday. And we didn't have a conversation. So like our last conversation on the phone was in January of this year. And then we spoke on Friday. Oh yeah, we're good. We good. People's timelines were messed up a little bit. Yeah. Had to put things in their place. Had to bring attention to some timeline. But like the dope part about it, like when we were talking, is like his mindset is like right there with mine. Like the things I was blurting out is the things he's living through. You know what I mean? Like figured it might have been a misunderstanding. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't. We spoke about it was a lot of things. All good though. What it is. Water under the bridge. We used to take 10 pips. Now we take 100. Brooks made fun of his R and Don wasn't having it. Is this expected to go to 4,000 plus? That's got to be a question from yesterday or something. No, we're at 4,000 plus. We're at 4,100. Sir. His girlfriend making fun of his RR as well and stuff. That's actually a very cool concept. That's something I was thinking of doing, but I won't do it anymore because he's doing it. I think it's very interesting, very cool concept. No, not the fact that she's asking him, the fact that he's saving money on videographers. Babe, you need a job? Hold this shit. It's the free labor. That's what it is. Damn. Don's not Mexican. He ain't doing everything himself. Mr. George, the new guy, he no good. I think this might be a quieter in terms of entries. Yo, is this thing bugging? There's no wick down to our entry here. Our buys were right here. Yo, bro, what in the trader's domain is going on right now? I know you motherfuckers from Trader's Domain are having PTSD right now.
The standalone candle.
Low volume candles.
What the fuck is this? Yo, why do I hear the streamers? Mute your YouTubes. Mute your YouTubes. Why do I hear TT on my stream? Mute your YouTubes if you're on here. But why don't we fucking have a wick here? Why do we not have a wick? It's so wild. His nickname is Chino. Oh man. Does he work at a Chinese food spot? Yo, all of a sudden, like my Chinese spot, like the one down the block. Well, when I say down the block, it's really like 8 miles, but it's like down the block from me. Yo, they do not have a single Chinese person working there. It's 4 Mexican cooks and a Mexican in the front that looks Chinese. Manager for a cleaning company. Chino manages Mexicans. Cleaning company, and Chino be cleaning fucking money too, bro. He's laundering money. Cleaning company. Damn, he must be on the cartel payroll. Gotta be. Ice, ice, baby. All right, stop. Now listen, Ice is back with a brand new invention. Yeah, that's crazy how there's no wick here. Like, bro, what? Imagine, look, yeah, we had entries at 40.85. Like, yeah, all right, bro, where? Yeah, really, 40.85, trust me. Where's everybody going? Like, what stream are you guys going to besides CTs? Where are you guys going? Let's just get another. Fuck it. I'm gonna take another position just in spite. I'm gonna take a position just like you guys think there's gonna be no more trades. All right, I'm gonna stick around here for another hour and a half, and then take another position just because people dip. I'm gonna do it on purpose. Fight everybody that's dipping. Catch another 50 pips. Gonna fuck around and find out. Yeah, I'm ready, bro. Go get your top 1 futures accounts at 55% off, then you'll be ready. Then you will be ready. This is an ugly ass candle. It's the 10 to 11 interval here is a bit choppier. I think the next hour, the first half of the next hour, I should see more volume. You done for the day? Did you stream on Friday? No, we traded in the Signal channel and we won. So, if you weren't here on stream, join the Signal channel. You caught the dubs with us in the private community. Damn, I need me a cafe con leche. I had a colada yesterday, like 6 of them, and then I couldn't fucking stop bouncing off the walls. Oh, 160 in here? No, go ahead, dip. Let's get down to 100 viewers. Go ahead, 60 of you can dip. Let's go. We'll send you guys a screenshot. Any questions? Anybody want to learn anything? Nope. Everybody just wants to eat. Well, the Wix 9 stimulus program is operating at full capacity. Got people working overtime just to make sure your stimmies go out. So congrats to everybody that's got their stimulus check today from the Wix 9 stream. What's the best way to learn the method behind the madness? I like the simplicity of no indicators. You got to show up every day. You literally have to show up. There are things, concepts, ideas, discoveries waiting for you, opportunities waiting that you need to learn through experience, not through conversation, not through pictures, not through watching something, right? You need to learn through experience, and knowledge guided by experience is top tier knowledge, right? Tell me about your last position. Oh, I was standing up. I was like this. But yeah, you want experience on the charts. That's the goal. So keep showing up, and once you keep showing up, things will start clicking. You'll have a bunch of aha moments, and then eventually you're going to be so in tune that you're going to be showing up motivated. You're going to be showing up incentivized by the fact that you're making money, or by the fact that you're starting to get it, or by the fact that the wheels are spinning. But right, it's just right now there's no guinea pig on a treadmill on the wheel. Looking into top one, what type of account do you suggest getting into? Not concerned with the money, just want to choose the correct amount. Instant fund it. Skip the challenge, go with instant funding. You attract advanced people. Are you answering something? It doesn't feel like it by the conversations I be having outside. She got me fucking turning around, looking around for the short bus. Be like, somebody picking you up? Where the bus at? What you mean you attract advanced people? You telling me people that coming into the community or coming into the trading space don't want to be here because the concepts are too advanced? But no one's able to break down every aspect of their concept or of their trading brick by brick, right? Crumb by crumb. I'm new to your channel. How would you describe your method? Price action. Right. I use candles as a language, and when I read them, they tell me what they're gonna do. Right? Because all of this, yeah, it's historical price data, but this is like a history book or like an almanac with a bit of prophecy, right? History and prophecy over here, all at the same time. This is like you're at a history book, and then you open up Nostradamus, and you're reading that, and you're like, all right, yeah, you know. To an extent, we can predict the future. But we just do technical analysis, right? We use the study of historical price data to tell us where the market's going to go in the future. We use historical levels, right? And we use our knowledge of candles. So candle reading knowledge, how they open, how they close, what the openings mean, what different types of closures mean, how they relate to one another. How does the 8 a.m. candle relate to the 9 a.m. candle? Did one close outside a range? Did the other one give you a wick first? Did we get a break of the previous candle on the current candle? You know, all this. Trend lines, indicators, though, you don't need any trend lines. You don't need any, and the only trend lines we use are horizontal ones right here. You see them? The only lines we use. You don't need anything except the candles here. Every indicator, everything else is just lagging, right? Why would you want something, a lagging indicator that's telling you what's already happened? If you learn to read the candles, you'll know what's going to happen before it happens, and then you'll take advantage of it. And then by the time the indicator is able to tell you something, you're out of the position with a W. Learn to read candles and put it all together. A lot of it, like, people also have an understanding of separate concepts, but no idea how to utilize them together, how to put them together to work with each other in unison like a well-oiled machine, right? And tough part for, because people think differently. They think in different terms. People rationalize differently and go through a problem, solve problems in different steps, and they do it differently, right? So your rationalization is what makes you really unique, what makes your opinion, your thought process unique, right? How you go through a problem. And I think in order to start putting things together, eventually you will. Your rationalization, you working through a problem will eventually lead you to a solution. But once again, the key is experience, right? First, you have to learn, and then you actually have to experience it on the charts, because without that, you won't have an understanding of the proper way to use your knowledge. Whatever you learned has to be shown to you in the charts as an example, or you have to see it printed in the live market for you to understand how you can utilize what you already know. Because yeah, you can know something, but you're not going to know how to use it in the live markets unless you've seen it happen and understand the mechanism, the mechanics of, you know, of what's going on and how you can utilize your knowledge in certain situations. Between 1-step, 2-step instant funding and prime funding, we would suggest instant funding because it's instant funding. Next month, I'll start working third shift, making 4K a month. Now I'm really about to change to another level. WJOB Funding, #1 funding company out there. So what have you got marked out for lines there? I've been trading for 5 years and profitable in the queue. Need to ditch that crazy bitch. Oh, gold, look. Wait, you've been trading 5 years and profitable? Bro, don't switch nothing. You're about to... Oh, you about to... The grass ain't always green on the other side. Shit's working. Do what works. That 1 year of no bills to pay, only save and build up. What do you think about TJR's strategy? I have no clue how TJR trades, but I also have no fucking clue how he makes money from trading based on what I've seen. I mean, do we want to spend the stream calling out everybody that doesn't really trade in markets? Not a trader. How about that? Very simple. Not a trader. There are people that trade. That guy's not one of them. Not a trader. There's no there's no money flowing in those screenshots. There's no money exchanging hands in any of those screenshots. No matter what you guys see, no matter what you guys think, no matter what kind of cool story is put out. No, it's not fucking real. And the thing is, people that trade, they see through it. Like, it's, and I'm not the only one. You're like, I'm not saying this because like, oh, I feel like it. I'm saying it because like I'm in circles that like, like we see through it. Like he can't be around real traders because real traders be like, bro, we see through the bullshit. Bro became a streamer, not a trader. If I could make 10 mil a month streaming, I'd become a streamer and not a trader either. But if you're talking about legit trading, like we can talk about facts, and then we could talk about what we want to do or what we wouldn't mind doing. I wouldn't mind doing what the fuck he's doing because he's fucking killing it, but he ain't trading. Like, he ain't trading. You guys want to do what he's doing? Go ahead. You can do what he's doing. But if you guys want to trade, you're not supposed to do what he's doing. He ain't trading. Yeah, it's just fake dreams, you know. It's not even fake dreams. It's just, hey, sponsor my dream. Kick subs alone is a decent way, bro. Like, you have 1 million subs or 1 million followers. Like, you don't really need to put in too much work, because just from getting there, it's the work you put in from getting there is already like clockwork. It's just standard to you. Like, that's what you do anyway. You don't have to put on a lot more work. I like it. I'll be watching Solid. I'm trying to learn how to approach the market. Kick subs alone is a decent wedge, or farming the kids. Which problem should we go with? Only top 1 futures. Only use code WIX. Oh, JOB funding. Who's getting their gap field? Damn, no, that's a wild question. Whose fucking thighs are social distancing? Who's got that gap fill going on today? On the instant funding, when it says 15% consistency, is that just saying you need to trade on 50% of days? Just want to clear that up. You the man. No, that's not what it's saying. Can somebody clear that up? It wasn't a 20% consistency, 30 closed above the range. Yeah, hold on. I don't like this. Yeah, we don't have a bottom wick here on the hourly. I don't like this 30 closing back up in range. I think we could easily fake out, close back below, and then we're gonna start filling the wick down. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna wait on this. There's probably gonna be no positions until the next hour. Like, in terms of, like, I don't know if I'm gonna have positions at all. Honestly, did pretty well here today, but there's no positions in general. I wouldn't even be looking at any probably for the next half hour, based on the fact that different time frames are telling me a different story. Right, the 30 is close back up above range, looks saying it's gonna move up, fill the wick. While the hourly's got no bottom wick, looking like it's gonna flip, respecting resistance. Sells possible, just not on this candle. Yes, but sells are definitely possible. Probably would have to be a 15 bearish closure. We'd need a top wick, and then we'd need to break the low so we can head down. 45 pips at least. Yeah. Thing is, you just need top wicks here. You need top wicks here. Maybe the 15 creates one and breaks its own though, right? Because this is good because this is giving that 30 a chance to drive up. Yeah, 30 real gangster. It's giving a chance to do a drive-by, but it's on parole. Okay. Yeah, once it breaks that high, technically it should come down, close back. And you know what you could do? You could also take the re-break of the lows, but I don't think I would want to do that. I think I'd rather wait on an actual closure below instead of breaking the low and come back up. But it could be done. It's not. Just be careful, right? This could all be a bottom wick to flip bullish here. There's no direction yet. You can kind of guess direction here, and the sells are likelier than the buys because of the hourly, right? Because of the hourly flip. But you can get the buys can happen too, because you might get that 30 flip bullish. Be careful so this doesn't pump up. Scary. Yeah, rebreak of the lows made sense there, but there's no top wick here. Probably want a steeper top wick. But it did what you'd want it to do if you're taking that side, right? It made the bottom wick, came up, broke the highs, and then rebroke lows. So at that point, it kind of makes sense. Better roll fat Jamaican joint. Garrett. Yeah, we had such a great position down here. Ten minutes here. 10 minutes for this 15. Let's see. With the amount of volume, it looks like it should run. If it doesn't, we might have some positions, or we might have positions on the next hourly candle, like I said, as we start heading back to that support that we bounced off. Fill in the wick. Snoop Dogg out there, never miss a session. He a different breed. Bought it, but closed way too early. What, the sells? And he created the session. Go. Damn, it was exactly 1 hour ago where we took our positions. Exactly on the dot, 1 hour ago. Hey.
Hey, Wicks,
Yo.
you can't do a 6-hour session a day. I'm gonna run out of weed. So that ain't gonna...
All right, gang. How about this? Yeah, we're gonna run it till like 11:15, 11:30. I think we'll run it too. Can you guys spam some dubs for that W that we got? Spam some motherfucking dubs. Let's fucking go. Spam it up. Spam it up. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. $780. Yeah. It's almost a 5K day here. Almost 5K. Yeah, definitely W Monday. Give me a second, gang. Gotta head out for the day. Much love, y'all. Later, Sam. Appreciate you. Much love to you as well. Stay blessed. Damn. Ice cream in the morning for breakfast. Green mad as fuck right now. What's your bias? I'm bullish, but we can take sells. It's just got to set up. I'm fine taking trades against the bias. Ice cream for breakfast, my son would agree. I do it because I can, right? I do it because I can. Some people are stuck in a cubicle right now, not able to leave their fucking desk for the next 6 hours. And I've already made my paycheck for the day, right? And they still got to work for it. So I'm blessed. And I empathize with those that aren't there yet. But I'm going to eat this ice cream because I can. And then I go to the gym and get out and look great and not even think about the ice cream that I just ate. A whole tub. A whole pint. I just ate a pint of ice cream for breakfast. And I feel great.
Eat a pint of ice cream in the bed when I'm going to bed.
When you're going to bed?
Yep.
Yeah, I eat in the evening, but like I just felt like having it in the morning. And like ain't nobody can stop me. And the donuts. Yeah. I get up and I'll show you a 6-pack. Don't be hating. Don't be hating. Should we buy from here? Well, there is no we. There's me, there's you, and then there's chat. Because I am not buying anything. Don't hate the game, hate the man. No. Don't wish the game was easier, wish you were better. That's it. Okay? And the good thing about that is you can work on it. But no, I'm not buying from here. And it's not a great idea to buy from here since you don't have any bullish closures yet. Well, the 30, yeah, but that 15's closed bearish back down here, so. And the hourly's bearish. So no, I would wait for more time frames to line up and the levels to line up. Very, very thankful to Wiggs and Don for teaching me a strategy. That's so many setups, at least a lot of trades taken, thanks to a little week's worth of time on the chart I still have. Sir, need a direction? No, you need wait for multiple time frames to align. And you don't want to buy against the bearish higher time frame. Be patient. There go the bearish flip. I don't ate the whole pint. Damn. Filling the wick on the hourly. But this bounce here. This is a heavy wick up. Like a 75% chance we see a reaction here. But I won't be a part of it with us filling that bearish wick. Watch this bounce right off this area. 120. Looks good, but I just don't want, because it's a fill. It looks good here, right? But in reality, this wick, I don't know why it's not printed here, right? In reality, this wick is like this, and we're just filling it. So as we're filling it, I think there's a chance we break it and run. But small chance. It's likelier to push back up. This wick wasn't here. It literally cut off here, like it shows on the 15. Yeah, this would be a buy limit. But as you're filling the wick on the higher time frame, right, you can just smash through these areas. Awesome. Would have been right again. Would have been right again. So yeah, I'm learning from many streamers on YouTube, and I find you so much better than them because you trade on multiple time frame. Learn very much from you. Great work. Thank you. Look at. Would have ate another 40 pips here. Great level. Really good level here. Kenny, you quit smoking? I mean, like for a minute? You quit smoking for a minute? You paused?
I'm trying to line these charts up.
I hear you. Porno fumar. Kenny said porno what? Did he say porno? Porno fumar. I fucked up, Chad. I left. I walked out of the kitchen and left the freezer open. It's just melting. You said earlier, experience is key. How long you been trading and how long From when you started, did it take for you to feel consistent, confident, profitable, capable? You know what I'm getting at? Yeah, I started in 2018. So 7.5 years. And I became consistent about 2 years in. I was profitable about 3 years in. And since then, it's just been one hell of a ride. That's when I started too, but I'm nowhere near your level. Everybody at different paces. Yeah, there shouldn't be any comparisons here. The thing is, we all grow at different rates too, right? So like, and we all grow at different rates at different levels. So there's things that I can get to first, but then you'll have an aha moment and you'll far outdo me for the next year and a half, and I'll be catching up to you, and then I'll have an aha moment, and it's like, oh man, I just saw something you haven't picked up on yet. And yeah, I'll put it out there. I'm not gatekeeping it, but it's gonna take you some time to kind of optimize. And then it's like, all right, now I'm back, back ahead in terms of like, and it's just the experience is different, right? It's very similar in overall lessons, but it's so unique in absorption, right? Your knowledge absorption and like how you experience things and what you go through, that like it's not about the person. It's really just the experience that leads you to where you need to be, right? And all we can do is try to put ourselves in a position where good luck can find us, right? Like day in and day out, right? Don't skip a day. You don't know what day is going to be your lucky day, and just every day that you don't skip, you try to put yourself in the best position to succeed. And eventually it's just it's probabilities. Eventually you should get there. But I'm not anywhere ahead of you because I'm smarter or because better, because I look better, even though I probably do, right? Or because my hair is more luxurious than yours. It's not like, none of these things have to do with me being where I'm at, you being where you're at. Just be relentless in your pursuit. Prioritize this, and we'll all eat, right? But we don't need to compare ourselves to each other because, like I said, it's irrelevant. There's no value, right? You can't make money, or you can't make more money based on how much better you are than me, right? That's not what your paycheck's gonna depend on, right? So people have this thing where they make opponents out of other traders, right? But like, there's no, like, me doing well will not hurt you, or you doing well will not hurt my pocketbook. So I'm not your opponent, right? Your opponent here is the market. The opponent here is the charts, right? And people approach the battle thinking it's other traders when really you're fighting the market. So how can you fight the battle if you don't even know who you're fighting? You're basically swinging in the air, like you're throwing punches in the air right now, because, or at the wrong thing, right? You're trying to battle other traders instead of fighting the market. Like, you got to realize that other traders, other people are not your opponents. Then you're gonna have a much easier time, right? I'm gonna go back to this. The hustle or the grind, not versus anyone else or any other trader. The hustle is against poverty. Right? You're only grinding here to get, not to be better than me or to outdo another trader. You didn't start trading because like, oh damn, I want to be better than, you know, than ICT or Ted or like or Roger or like. No, you started trading because you want some fucking money. You don't care how much money everyone else got. You want some money, but no, you do care. That's the problem. People care so much about what others have. They spent all that energy. They put all that energy into focusing on what others have, and instead of putting all that effort and energy into getting their own. Once you realize your opponent is the market and not other people, it's not other traders. You don't need to compare yourself. Right? Comparison is the thief of joy. You don't need to compare. You need to stay in your own lane. Don't look left. Don't look right. Right? You need to look forward. You need to want to get to that light at the end of the tunnel as fast as possible. One minute here for the hourly closure. Wow, what a rejection here. I don't think, yeah, because this just ate away something I really like. Yeah, we should, you know, hindsight's 2020, but I think we should have played that level again. It's kind of skeptical in terms of the 4 hour, in terms of the hourly flipping and filling the wick, but it bounced, came right back up. Yeah, last 2 years going all-time high after all-time maybe gets stuck, but now with ranges back in the equation, I'm getting so many aha moments. Good way to look at it. Oh, Kenny, I beat you to it. I rolled that motherfucker Ali G style. Roll.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Having data in previous levels helps a lot, yes. But if you're always at all-time highs, that helps a lot too, because eventually you'll know how to act at all-time highs and you'll see opportunities that you never did before at all-time highs because you've lived through it so much. Your experience won't let you miss the opportunity. I wonder what percentage I'm at. I'm at 22.96% consistency. $1,450 I gotta make in order to be at the consistency. Which means I can't do it today. Yeah. One hour closed. Yeah, I mean, it closed like shit. I see it. It closed the wick. Just one big ass wick. Top wick, bottom wick, but the whole candle's a wick, right? The whole candle's a range. Might bounce within this candle. Oh. Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see anything that's going to set up over the next 20, 30 minutes. Probably going to be another few hourly candles. Yeah, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it a session. It's been a really good one. I think it's been a very productive day. It's been a clean session. A lot of good discussions. Honestly, we could have utilized this level again. A little bit of uncertainty here, especially with this missing candle, right? And price being all the way up the fuck here, right? So instead of slipping it to hell, it fucking sent it to heaven. Like it's fucking Pop Smoke. So yeah, and there's no wick on the scan. Just like a lot of inconsistency in terms of how the chart's printed, right? Like look at this 15 and look at the 30. Like why the fuck do we have this tap here? It's not here, non-existent on the 30. So like, I don't know what to think about this, but I'm glad we got that first W, even though we didn't get a chance to take advantage of the second one. But like when these ranges will print clearer, we'll take multiple opportunities, multiple dubs in these ranges. So don't get ahead of yourself. Don't get ahead of the markets or the charts, and don't get ahead of your own experience. Okay? What's your live schedule when you go live? Usually we go live every single day, every single morning, 8 a.m. And I would like to say every single evening at 8 p.m., but it's not every evening. It's maybe three to four times a week in the evenings for Asian session. And it's every single day for New York for this session. So tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp, be here. Tonight, 8 p.m. sharp, be here. I'll most likely streaming Asian tonight, so be here at 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay? So I don't mind calling it here because like I'm gonna do a lot of talking today, and I got a lot of work, and I gotta go top one, and then we're gonna stream again, which leads me to more talking, and I don't want to lose my voice. Plus, last week we had a 6-hour stream, so it gets crazy. A lot of talking, a lot of monologuing on my end. What's your live schedule when you go live? I'll be around and asking questions. Perfect. That's what we want. We want people around. We want people here. We want people active. Ask questions so I can answer them.
Yes, sir.
For people in time zone issues, 8 a.m. Eastern is 3 hours and 5 minutes ago.
And bring your own weed.
Yeah. BYOW for sure. Yeah, let's call it a session here. Gang, thank you for rocking with me today.
Thank you,
and
Wicks.
every day. Thank you, Jay. I'll reach out to you later on today. Kenny, appreciate you. Dr. Holmes. Reggie, I'll reach out to you later on today. What's up from Germany? Hey. Scheiße. So late, King Zed. So late. But what's up from Germany? Yes, gang. Let's call it. Thank you guys for spamming dubs earlier. Congrats to our 250K winners from yesterday's private session, Nate and Sam. And thank you for sharing the breath. Yes, sir. Knowledge, the not. Like I always say, can't take it with me. You don't see a U-Haul behind a hearse, right? So we're gonna leave our mark on this world. Let's bring up as many people as we can. Let's build a big, non-toxic, least toxic community in the future space. So drop some likes, sub to the channel, for sure, sub to the channel. Share the stream. Please share the stream. I need your help in order to grow this community and to grow this channel, right? Without you guys, I can't do it. I can't do it on my own, right? Anyway, that's our session. Zoom gang, see you on the clubhouse side of things. Signal channel. I want to say stay locked in, but it's not going to be for another half hour, 30-minute candle, pretty much 100% at that. So that I think afternoon we might see some positions. Quite possible. So if I'm home, I'm in front of my PC, in front of my computer PC. If I'm in front of my computer, I will take them, I will call them out, and we will get some dubs because that's what we do. It's win or win, right? What do you guys want to do today? You want to win or win? Let me know. All right. Either way, you're walking out of here richer than you were when you came in, whether it's mental, whether it's your pocketbook, right? Where we're talking in terms of clarity, right? Or in terms of just value and knowledge. Mods, you get a special thank you. You get 3 thank yous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys for helping me run the stream. As always, what up, Barbecue Club FX? We're finishing up here. Session's done. I'll be in the Signal channel, and tonight we will run our Asian session at 8 p.m. For everybody else, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp for New York session. All right, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Yes, have a great day, everyone. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. Spend a nice, enjoyable day. You already got the W. You're part of the top 2% of traders worldwide that have gotten this far. Worldwide, you guys are in a very small circle. You're in a select club of people that are able to get to this level. Now let's not stop. Let's keep pushing. Let's really maximize and squeeze all the juice out of our prime, right? And really run it up when it counts. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.